See it?
And then move it up.
Yeah.
And
so
then
that's why
you're
that-
able to grease.
those fittings. Yes.
See, ideally, when that's up in the air, if you had anti-seize, if you put some anti-seize there, that'll stop that.
So you do that. I mean, before you, like when you're cleaning it, you put the anti-seize in.
Right. It's got a brush, the
Uh-huh.
anti-seize, and if you can just brush that on there, or grease for that
Yeah.
matter, but anti-seize doesn't seem to wear off. But see that, all this does, and it's telling Wendy, when you're moving that adjustment arm, you're shortening or lengthening the distance of this.
Okay.
And that's all that adjustment's doing. So if you're taking that arm off, that thing's still got to move up and
Yeah.
down.
Yeah.
You got to be careful too, because
Over greasing.
that one's the one you'd be most likely to over grease.